Xbox+Pc here. Today I'm bringing you a video on how to hack any car you want into Forza Horizon 4. So yeah, this basically just lets you get any car in the game that you can't get at the moment, like the Ferrari F99 XE, you know, that's never on the auction. You can get that, really any car you want. So first what you're going to want to do is download Cheat Engine from the link in the description. Once you have that installed, you're going to want to also download this Cheat Engine table to add the cars, and then also download this PDF, and I'll have both of these in a zip or a RAR or whatever. So yeah, once you're done with that, you're also going to want to have your Forza open, and you're going to want to be in a house or the H on the map so you can see the auto show, and then you go to view all, and then you have the 124 spider right here at the top left. This shows that you're in the right area by car. So now you're just going to want to alt tab out of that, open the Cheat Engine table, press yes. So now you're going to want to go into here, go into processes, not applications, and then you'll see Forza Horizon 4. Usually I just scroll all the way to the bottom, and then Forza is usually in like the first, like I won't have to scroll anywhere. So you're just going to press open on that, press yes, and now you're going to want to figure out what car you want to do, so just open the PDF. So I'm going to get a F99 XE. Oh shoot. Hold up. I think it was, yeah, it's, okay. $5.99, let's see, okay. So it's $15.99. That's the ID. You're gonna, one sec. You're gonna want to get the ID on the right side, so, of the car you want. So, we're gonna do the $5.99 XE. The ID is 1599. So you can copy that or just remember it. Go into here, press X on this little box, put in the ID you want to do, press OK. Now wait for this to do this. It'll say not responding. It does it every time. It's normal. Just wait. And press OK. Now go back into Forza, and then press on the 124 spider. You have to press on that one. And there it is. So you can put a design on it. I guess we'll just put this one on. Now it is 250k. Each car has a different price. It's just whatever stock price it is. But you could easily just resell this on the auction house for 20 mil. So this is also like a money method. Like you could just pretty much make as many $5.99 XEs as you want and just list them and get all that money from there. But yeah, this works online, this works on PC and Xbox, so everything's all synced together. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah.